Hi everyone, Dexter here. Today, I'm going to invite you to watch the orientation on the Judiciary ePayment pilot test on Friday, October 8, 2021 from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. via this YouTube channel. So, bakit sa YouTube channel? Kasi we are going to choose only 20 courts among the first level courts. So, ang pilot test is sa first level courts muna. Okay? Pero yung hindi mapipili kasi you can't access the yung webinar orientation using the PJ365 doon sa MS Teams. So yung 20 courts lang yung makaka-attend. Kaya yung the rest na hindi makaka-attend, so pati second level courts, encourage kong manood kasi sa November, pag nilaunch or early next year, ilo-launch to nationwide. So, lahat ng pati second level course. So, para maging familiar kayo sa system, I advise you to watch the orientation on Friday. Okay? So, yung 20 courts na mapipili, so sila mismo, yung court nila, yung mag-accept ng e-payment. So, hindi na sila gagamitin yung OCA Circular 164/2020. So, ito ng e-payment ang magiging system nila. Okay? So, ito yung front page ng system. So, merong assessment calculator na. So, kung yung party gusto niyang nag-a-assess lang yan, gusto lang niyang malaman yung payment, yung legal fees na babayaran niya, so the party can access this assessment calculator. So, input yung amount involved, kung parties, kung anong case. So, yung system, ibibigay na yung assessment. So, malalaman na ng party kung magkano yung dapat bayaran niya. So, yun yung kung hindi siya magpa-file pa ng case. Kaya yung nasa top view ng system. So, doon sa ibaba ng system na yan, makikita nyo naman tong yung website. Pag kinlik kasi yung assessment na yon, may option doon to proceed sa payment, yung sa assessment calculator. Pero yung mga party na magpa-file na talaga, so pwedeng i-choose yung option na to, nasa baba ng assessment calculator. So may tatlong options yan. So for filing of cases, supplemental pleadings, and answers. Itong supplemental pleadings, ito yung nakapag-file na ng case. So, may additional. So, dito rin yung option. Press lang yung proceed. So, pipiliin ko anong cases ang pa-filean. Ang ipa-file niya. So, I'm going to give you the short video nung kung paano yung flow ng system. So, later. So, just want to give you the idea of the flow ng system. Okay? So, yung system na to, automated na yung assessment. Okay, yun yung isang benefit dyan. So, meron ngayong second option dito kung magpa-file lang ng application, yung mga solemnization, extrajudicial foreclosure, so lahat ng application, notary commission, or notice, yung mga notice of appeal, magpa-file, or so notice, kasama dito yung postponement, motion for postponement, so yung request. Ito yung like yung issuance ng clearances, dito papasok yung party. So yung party, pwedeng dumiretso na sa system, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa OCC, sa clerk of court, para magpa-assess. So diretso na sila dito. So pwede silang magbayad ng kahit hindi na sila dadaan nga doon sa OCC. So yung magiging pang check and balance natin, kaya pag nagbayad sila, the clerk of court, pag pinresent ng party yung proof of receipt nila o yung transaction reference, i-access ng clerk of court yun. So, i-verify ng clerk of court kung tama ba yung binayaran niya. Check niya yung amount involved, titingnan yung prayer ng pleadings, kung in-input ba niya lahat ng amount doon sa system, yung prayer. So, kung merong deficiency, hindi pala lahat in-input or nilagay ng party doon sa amount involved, so may deficiency, yung clerk of court, i-require ngayon yung party na mag-additional payment dun sa deficiency. So, yun yung pang-check natin. Okay? So, yung itong pang third option naman, itong mga rendering of service, so i-rename to as other services. Kasi dito sa rendering of service, nandito yung mga miscellaneous fees, yung mga issuance of writs, yung mga commission doon sa money collected by the sheriff, or yung amount deposited doon sa court, yung mga walang filing, walang LRF. So, yung walang LRF na payment dito nyo makikita sa third option. So, dito sa rendering of service. So, i-rename siya as other services. Okay? Pag itong dalawang option to, ito yung merong LRF. So, all fees here are filing fees. Okay? So, ang benefits ng system na to, unang-una, yun nga, automated na yung assessment of legal fees. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapang mag-compute niyan, manual computation. And, ang good thing dito is, magkakaroon na ng uniform assessment of legal fees kasi isa na magko-compute yung system na. Kaya I provided ng computation yung ang programmer. So, para hindi na ang purpose natin dito, uniform computation, assessment of legal fees, and hindi na mahirapan yung clerks of courts sa pag-compute. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean na dahil may automated assessment ng legal fees na, hindi nyo na pag-aaralan yung computation assessment. So, required pa rin kayong alamin yung proper assessment and computation of legal fees kasi pag i-present nga sa inyo yung transaction reference ng party, i-check nyo kung tama ba yung binayaran ng party. Check nyo kung inilagay niyang amount involved. So, mag-assess nyo rin yon kung mayroong deficiency. Okay? So, yung pangalawang benefits niyan, so, computer-generated na yung official receipt. So, hindi na kayo problema na mag-alala if you run out of OR doon sa ang hirap mag-request. So, lahat na yan covered, yung JDF, SUDS, LRF, BCF, MF. So, like, kung e-payment code kayo or e-court, isang OR lang ini-issue ng system na piniprint. So, ganun din yung e-payment. So, lahat ng transaction na binayarang or particular involving funds doon sa payment na nabayaran ng party, yun yung ilalabas ng system, yung computer-generated official receipt. So, pwedeng i-print ng party yon, or pwedeng i-send online yon, electronic mail doon sa clerk of court. So, or pwedeng i-access ng clerk of court yon doon sa system. So, magkakaroon ngayon kayo ng lahat ng user access doon sa system. So, to verify yung transactions and ang confirm yung payment na binayaran ng party. So, kailangan i-check nyo kung valid yung transaction ID pinrovide ng party. Okay? So, yung pangatlo, computer-generated financial reports na. So, hindi na kayo magmamanual ng entry ng transaction doon sa cash receipts register, sa cash disbursement register. So, bibigay na ng system sa inyo yan. So, lahat ng transactions na pumasok doon sa system, i-segregate ng system yan depending on the court stations. So, ang system dyan, so pag nagbayad ang party, so, yung system na to para sa lahat to, pati appellate courts, yung Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan, CTA, so second level and third and first level. So, ang uunahin muna natin yung transaction ng first level court. So, yung pag nagbayad yung party, ang nagdi-develop ng system na to is the Union Bank. So, papasok sa Union Bank yung payment. So, magiging collecting agent natin is the Union Bank. Then, yung collections during the day, i-transfer ng Union Bank yan, diretso na doon sa particular accounts natin, ng JDF, SUDS, LRF, BCF, MF, STF. So, kaya yung mga kinukuha namin yung local accounts ng fiduciary fund and STF. So, yung mga hindi pa nag-accomplish nung registration form na kinukuha namin yung accounts nyo sa STF and FF, kailangan nyo nang i-accomplish yun, i-provide sa amin. Kasi i-upload sa system lahat ng local accounts nyo para papasok yung payment ng parties doon mismo sa diretso sa account nyo. Okay? So yung magiging collection nyo, yun yung galing sa Union Bank. So ito transfer ng Union Bank sa Land Bank yon. So that's the remittance. That's the deposit. The time na i-transfer ng Union Bank yung collection doon sa Land Bank accounts. Okay? So may remittance report yon. So you can print that remittance transactions using your usernames doon sa system para kung magsasubmit kayo ng financial reports, i-attach nyo yung official receipts. So yung official receipts, pwede nyo i-print rin yun sa system nyo. Kung electronic mail or electronic nyo na-receive yun sa parties. Okay? Pero mayroong wini-work namin yung electronic submission ng financial reports sa accounting and sa COA. So, para hindi nyo na kailangan i-print yan, so, yung digital signature, pwede nang yung i-stamp na lang doon yun sa report para pag sinubmit nyo through email doon sa accounting or sa COA. Okay? So, yun yung isa pang benefits ng e-payment na to. So, hindi na kailangang mag-submit kayo ng hard copies ng reports. Okay? So, the persons responsible for the development of the system, itong system, it started from the time of Justice Peralta. So, hindi lang natapos to, kaya ang sumasalo, siyempre, ang gustong matapos tong project na to, si Chief Justice Gismondo. So, and under the direct supervision ng staff ni Chief, si Attorney Jed Sherwin G. Uy. Siya yung e-court project manager ng Supreme Court. So, siya yung nagsusupervise sa development ng system. Okay, siya yung aming vice chairperson, pati ng PILJA, Core Technology Department. So, yung mga ideas, binibigay niya doon sa kung chine-check niya kung okay ba yung system. So yung katulong kami doon. So yung mga technical data information, pinoprovide din namin yon. So kasama namin si Attorney Jed sa technical working group. And syempre yung isa pang importanteng person natin, si Court Ad. So gusto talaga ni Court Ad magkaroon ng yung digitization ng court. So meron na tayong e-court niyan, yung mga e-raffle, may video conferencing na tayo, virtual hearing, so e-warrant systems, then ito na yung e-payment solution. So kaya ang target ng launching ng dapat nationwide implementation nitong Judiciary ePayment is next year. Kaya gusto ko mapanood nyo yung orientation sa Friday para may idea kayo. So, I'm going to show you yung overview dun sa system, yung video, kung paano yung flow ng system. Okay, para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Okay, and after watching the video, so I suggest ko you should comment dito sa YouTube, dun sa comment sa lower portion ng video. So, para kung anong suggestion nyo or comment dito sa system, we can incorporate doon sa system or to improve the system. Okay? Ito yung purpose nung kaya panood na ko sa inyo to para mas maraming utak. So, maraming brains. It's better than sa the few. So, kung anong mga ideas nyo, pwede nating isama doon sa development ng system. Okay?
This is our user-facing microsite. So, and then if you want to do yung different services, so we have different buttons for each. So, unahin natin si filing a case. So, just click on proceed. So, the first page, ito yung itsura niyan. There are only 2 fields here for the request details. If you select the file of case, for example, let's just go back here. If you select this one, if you proceed, auto-populated na kagad si service type for the file of case. But you also have an option to change it. For example, nagkamali ka lang ng pindot and actually rendering of service pala siya. So you can also change it here. Okay, and then for the payer type, you just need to select either individual or juridical. Okay. All right, so let's just move on to the next page. For the case details, here we can select the case category depending on the case categories that we've added prior to the admin side. So for example, for this specific request, we are filing for a civil case. Let's say quieting of title. And then for the number of defendants and respondents, this is a this is an input field basically. You just need to input the number of defendants or respondents. So in this case, let's say just one. And then the number of addresses, let's just say one. And then the case title and remarks, both are optional. So let's just leave them blank for now. Okay. And then let's move on to the third page, which is the court details. So here we can select the court level. So in this case, let's say it's for the second level court. Court type is the regional trial court. Region is NCR, province Metro Manila. And then for the court station, let's choose, let's just choose Caloocan City, for example. Okay, and then for the fourth now, for the personal information, here we can type in, or we can select the party type. So for this request, let's just select plaintiff and then input in the first name. The middle initial is optional. Okay. As well as the company being represented, they're both optional, the middle initial and this one. And for the email address, this is being validated, so we need to input here a valid or a properly formatted email address. And then for the mobile number, we need to input here a valid mobile number or a properly formatted mobile number. Okay. So, and then the next step, just gonna trigger the OTP. So at the moment, hindi pa po nakaset up yung aming server for sending the actual OTP. So we can't show you the success scenario kapag ka input ng OTP. So what we can show you for today muna is yung kapag mali yung OTP na input dito sa page. So for example, input ko lang is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if I try to verify, ito yung screen na lalabas kapag ka-failed. And then may options user to just cancel it or to try again.
I think si Sir Dex has a question. Sir Dex.
Yes, Sir Aris. Yung about dito sa number 5 na anong to, di ba, with fee exemption, no. Pag no, diretso yung assessment. What if kung yes ang nilagay, anong makukuha na party?
Depende, Sir Dex, kasi pipili siya, di ba, ng specific exemption. So, ayan. Not sure. Hindi pa yan yung tamang values. The condition should be yung 7 na sinend nyo, Sir Dex, di ba? Yung may indigent, may PAO client, etc., etc. So, this will be modified. And then, kung halimbawa, yung STF only lang yung babayaran niya, yun lang yung lalabas.
Yun lang lalabas. Okay.
Automatic siya. So, yung 1,000 times the number of respondents addresses.
Okay, thank you. Tama.
Okay.
Okay, so hanggang doon lang yung video. So yung pinaka-assessment, computation, sa Friday yun ipapakita. So kaya kailangan makita nyo yung maka-attend kayo, makapanood kayo pala. So makapanood, you should watch the orientation nung pilot test ng Judiciary ePayment. So yung kung paano mag-work yung system to assess yung legal fees, kung anong data ang kailangan input. So kung merong baka hindi pa ako na kami naisama doon, so you can comment dito sa video, YouTube video na to, sa baba ng video. Okay? Para mabasa ko, mai-incorporate natin sa development, improvement ng system. Okay? So, yung mga clerks of courts na hindi pa nag-subscribe, so please share this video para mag-subscribe sila. Kasi kung hindi sila subscribe dito sa channel, hindi sila makaka-access doon sa panonood ng orientation. So, dapat so may 1,200, 300 tayong clerks of courts. Mga nasa 700 pa lang yung nag-subscribe. So, kasama pa yung mga cash clerks doon. So, mga kalahati. So, half of the clerks of courts hindi napapanood tong video. So, marami akong in-upload ng computation na cases. Yung latest kong ginawa, assessment doon sa probate of wills or allowance of wills. So, pati yung disallowance of wills. So, mayroon pa akong lalagay dyan, yung consignation cases. So, yung mga sa expropriations, yung i-upload ko. Okay, yung sa criminal cases, hindi pa pala na-upload yung criminal cases. And sa yung estafa. Okay, so marami tayong pwedeng i-upload. So, hindi, not because meron na tayong e-payment, yung automated assessment ng legal fees, so hindi na kayo mag-aspire o to know the computation ng assessment ng legal fees. So, dapat alam nyo pa rin yung computations. Okay? So, I repeat, so sa Friday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, yun yung orientation. So, you should watch. Pati yung second level courts, invite na yung ibang clerks of courts na hindi nakakapanood ng video, uploaded videos natin. Okay? Thank you.